if you're having the same issue that I did, right now I am not able to record the voice in voiceover feature in iMovie. When I press this, you don't see any green lines over here. That means your voice is not being recorded. So to solve that issue, what you need to do is go to search, go to system preferences, and then select security and privacy. And on your left side you will see the option for microphone. Click on that, and it's not checked for iMovie software, so just check on that. You need to quit and reopen so that the microphone setting will be applied to iMovie. Now let's go back to the sound here. So you see the mic icon, you click on that. Now you'll be able to see the green lights that indicate the microphone is working properly. So when you click on it, and you'll be able to record any voiceover into the pictures or video of your choice. Hope this helps. Thank you.